Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany Yeiser, and this is my introduction video. I have some pictures and a PowerPoint to go along with it. I'm very excited to start the new ACTE 634 class and to learn about ethical and legal issues in an online teaching environment. So a little bit about me. I graduated from Elko School District. I played soccer as one of my favorite hobbies. I have two dogs here, Buddy and Bandit. And then these are my parents and my nephew Carter, and then his mom, my sister, and then my grandparents at my graduation. I graduated college from Bloomsburg with a dual certification in early childhood education and special education. After graduating Bloomsburg, I worked at Pine Grove Area Elementary School, and I was the kindergarten through fourth grade emotional support teacher. I did that for 2 years. I had about 18 students on my caseload for both years. So after doing that, I have moved back and got a job in Elko, which is where I graduated from. I am now the kindergarten through second grade autistic support teacher. Here at the school, we have one-to-one iPads for students in 6th through 12th grade. So they're working on getting iPads one-to-one for kindergarten through second grade. So hopefully more to come on that throughout the course. I also live in Myerstown, which is right in the Elko School District. So it's a close commute for me. Some hobbies, I enjoy reading. The type of reading is usually romance or mystery reading. I also enjoy going to the beach. My family has a camper in Rehoboth, Delaware, and it's on a permanent site, so we go there on the weekends throughout the summer. I also like going shopping and wineries with my family and friends. Some of my favorites, the color teal is one of my favorite colors. Cheese, children's book series, the Pigeon series. Music is country music store, Old Navy, and I enjoy drinking water. I'm not really a big soda drinker. I do also love Dunkin' Donuts coffee. So my fears about the social lives of network teens. So for me, I don't really interact with teens here at the building since we are kindergarten through second grade. But what I've seen and have heard throughout the district are some of the issues and problems that we're having with students with social media. I'm going to talk a little bit about those, and I also find those as fearful, being as they are so problematic within our middle school, which is 6th to 8th grade. So the teens are starting to depend a lot on social media. They're posting things without thinking about it, not aware of netiquette or not following what we would perceive as appropriate netiquette or internet safety, which has led to a few problems within the district where students are posting things about other students online, or they are saying that they're going to start fights, and then instead of people reporting what they're seeing online, it's kind of going under the radar and things are happening and it's leading to bigger problems within the school. Recently we just had students videotaping a fight. Instead of going to get an administrator or a teacher, they were taping the fight, which was not helping or stopping them because they wanted to post it and share it to their friends on social media. So that kind of makes me a little fearful because we're not stopping things, we're just posting more and relying a lot on that media to connect with each other rather than the positive ways that we can use the internet and social networking. So another thing is there's a lack of personal relationships. Even when students are together in a class, they're having a hard time socializing because they're so used to texting one another, not having that face-to-face conversation that sometimes can be awkward without the proper social skills. So I know there's a lot of times when people will be like, oh, I'm with my daughters and they're right together, but they're still texting one another. So the lack of personal relationships is really something that I fear that's going to happen. And again, that has caused a lot of issues, and people are more willing to say things that may not be appropriate over social networking or social media. Within my classroom, since I'm at the K-2 level, I've seen students greatly affected by technology in two ways. There is a positive way. You can use it for teaching. You can use it as a way for students to collaborate and express themselves. That is absolutely excellent, and I think it's great that we're heading that direction. But there's also some negative ways. I have students at the kindergarten through second grade level that are watching things at home and not being monitored. So when we have those unmonitored things, there is access to inappropriate games and videos that students shouldn't be playing. So I think there's definitely a fine line about how social networking can be positive, and how it can impact our students' lives. So I can't wait to start reading our book because I know it's called It's Complicated, which I'm sure is going to dive right into this topic. So it was great meeting everybody, and I can't wait for a great class. Bye.